How to add dust or snow particles to video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to add snow particles to it. I also downloaded this particle clip and I put it above the video in Video Track 2. You can download such clips from sites like Pexels or Pixabay for free. Cut the other parts of the particle clip. Select the particle clip and open up the inspector panel. Change composite mode to screen, because I want to keep the white parts of the footage and remove the black parts. Now we have the particles in the video. To have more particles, hold down the Alt key and drag the particle clip to track 3 to duplicate it. To have fewer particles, remove the duplicate clip, then select the particle clip and decrease its opacity. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.